The most magical place to craft. Students in the Disney DIY class at the Sea Island School for the Arts and Academics Summer Camp are letting their artistic abilities shine as they work on several Disney-inspired projects.
My favorite project was decorating the mugs because we just got blank mugs and we got to use our creativity to draw whatever we want on our mugs.
My favorite part was making the bags because you could do whatever design you want and you can use them a lot.
The tie-dye because we got to make tie-dye Mickey shirts. And then we also got to we had choice of Swirl and Mickey.
The students have been busy creating Disney-themed paintings and, of course, had fun making their own Mickey Mouse ears.
I'm just wanting them to just let their creativity flow. Just let them come up with different ideas that they might not have it seen before, and also let them know that they can make anything out of just random things outside of their house and that they can put it together to make something cool.
The 4-day course is also showing students how they can apply art to their passions and hobbies.
I am a huge Disney fan. I've been a Disney fan ever since I was little. If I had any other job, it'd probably be as a Disney tour guide. But I also love crafting. It was something I've been doing since I was little, and I just decided to combine the two, and I've been able to start my own business with the Disney crafting, so it's kind of cool to also do something I'm a music teacher, but kind of cool to go outside of my bubble and do something else that I love as well.
About 15 students are taking the class at Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.